How to fix Apple ID login error on Mac. So if you've been trying to log into your Mac OS using your Apple ID, so right here you can see the settings on my Mac OS, and if I go to my sign in button from the top, you can see I'm not currently signed in. So if you have an Apple ID, normally you would just enter the email address that is associated with your Apple ID over here and hit the continue button, and then go ahead and then enter your password. And when you enter your password, if you're getting some type of login errors, you have to make sure you have access to the email address or the phone number of your Apple ID. So in this case, you can simply make sure to log into your Gmail or other email address that you have provided, and also your phone number. In case you forgot your password, you can click this forgot password button. It will send a verification code or a link to both your email address or your phone number, or you can just hit the continue button. And if your credentials are correct, you should be able to log in without any sort of issue, as long as you have provided the necessary verifications that is required to log in on your Mac OS. It could also be because sometimes you might have went ahead and then used your Apple ID on an old device. So your Apple ID might still be logged in on an older iPhone that you had, and you lost your iPhone but your Apple ID is still there, so it might send a code over there. So in that case, you have to select the option don't have that access to that particular device and log out of those devices in this case. Hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.